Today I'm going to show you how to import Smartsheet into Google and Outlook calendars. This is incredibly useful if you want to sync your project timelines and deadlines directly with your calendar, making it easier to track important dates without constantly switching between apps. First, open your browser and head over to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Smartsheet homepage where all your existing files and sheets are displayed. Now, locate the sheet that contains a date column. This is important because the calendar view relies on dates to organize your data chronologically. Click on that sheet to open it. Once the sheet loads, you'll see the current view, which is typically the grid or table format. At the top of the screen, look for the view options and click on Calendar. This switches your data from the standard table layout into a calendar view, making it much easier to visualize your timeline. With the calendar view now active, focus on the top toolbar. Here you'll find an option that says Publish to Google Calendar. Click on it. A dialog box will appear with a toggle switch. Turn on the switch and click OK to confirm. At this point, the system will begin processing your request, so you might need to wait a moment while it loads. You'll be prompted to log into your Google account to authorize the connection. Once you've logged in, Smartsheet will automatically publish your data to your Google Calendar, and your dates will start syncing. Now, if you also want to publish this calendar to Outlook, the process is slightly different. Back in the calendar view, look for the option that says Publish iCalendar. Click on it. However, keep in mind that this feature typically requires an upgraded Smartsheet plan. If you don't have the upgraded plan, you'll be prompted to upgrade before proceeding. If your plan is already upgraded, you'll see several sharing options appear. These include Read-Only HTML, Read-Only Full, Edit by Anyone, and Calendar. For syncing with Outlook, select the Calendar option. Once you choose this, a URL link will be generated. Copy this link as you'll need it to complete the integration with Outlook. Then head over to your Outlook calendar, paste the link into the calendar subscription or import section, and your Smartsheet data will now appear in Outlook as well. And that's it. You've successfully imported your Smartsheet into both Google and Outlook calendars, keeping all your important dates synchronized across platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.